All right, good afternoon, Mr. Dan. How you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Great, good, thank you. All right, we're here for your hip replacement. We had surgery about 6 weeks ago.
Yeah.
We replaced your hip. How's everything doing?
It's wonderful.
Wonderful?
It's great, man.
Yeah. How's the experience been?
It's been incredible. It's nothing like I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a nightmare, and it's just been a dream all the way through.
Yeah?
It really has.
What are some things that you've been able to do that you weren't able to do in the past?
Well, my recovery has been just incredibly fast. I mean, I've been we're 6 weeks out. In another 2 weeks, I'll be going back to work. And in my job, I climb ladders. I get in contorted positions and everything else, and I have every confidence that this is going to work.
Mm-hmm. Did you believe you were going to be able to do this?
No.
Before?
No, I didn't.
No?
I was afraid that I would be crippled up, pretty much.
And we helped you fix that, huh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah?
You did.
All right.
Dr. Burney was afraid I was going to give him a whip one right on the lips.
Well, it's been our pleasure helping you out with this, sir.
I just can't say enough for how good this experience has been.
All right.